So me just get two of them and me swear think of Canada me there. The money they just pretty and thin, but they don't have no value, but you don't know. They're nice still, like me like them. Just thin.
Want all money, and me no job for no new money yet. Hey, when you make a dollar, you fi spin it. You fi turn it around and spin it. Millions the inna the billy. No one bag of teeth when you see me. Fresh cash, fresh cash, fresh cash. As me Friday gone, me Friday come back.
New money, who dis?
Still I count all money, and me no job for no new money yet. Hey, when you make a dollar, you fi spin it. You fi turn it around and spin it. Millions the inna the billy. No one bag of teeth when you see me. Fresh cash, fresh cash, fresh cash. As me Friday gone, me Friday come.
Jamaican new money. New Jamaican dollars doubled in value.
$1,000? Well, give me the change. What different value that? New money, man. Different value? You value 1,000? So everybody run it down? 500 value 1,000? So the same 500 value? So everybody run it down? Yeah, I know. TikTok, me finally get my hands on two of the new money, the $1,000 and the $500. Throw some water in it and look what happen. One bucket. Watch it. Jaja. I don't know if you no see it still, you know. I'm not sure if you no see it. Yeah, man. Authentic shit them here, you know. Yes, man. Me like them, man. I swear, say me like them. They're nice. They're nice. I don't know why I'm so excited.
Yo, police can't say money dirty again, you know. Watch it. Wash it. Police can't say dirty again, you know. Wash it and hang it up on the line, you see it? Only floating.
Miss you so much. Wonder sometimes if I will see you again. Do you?
Jamaican new money.
Chris like biscuit, oh yeah, we have them new money, man. Yeah, this is Jamaican 100, this is 50. We're living in foreign now. We don't need to leave Jamaica anymore, guys. See there? We are living foreign now. Foreign. We put them out there, Chris. Oh yeah. Yeah, wait up. Look here, guys. Look where Jamaica money, guys. So look here. Jamaica money, that's why I got waterproof. Yeah.
My money officially water resistant. Not have to worry about money I went up in a rain or washing up clothes again. All is well. Just shake him off and wipe him off. Wow. Money water resistant is a good look, man.
So to the fact that I went to the supermarket and I got these as change, and as soon as the cashier took out these notes to give me as change, the whole line nearly tear me down just to look on the damn money. Like literally, person's like, come let me see one of them One person take out them phone, say, hey, give me one of them note, me take one picture. I say, no, sir. The cashier have a ball out. Oi, you don't tear him down. Me have more.
Who else noticed this? Driver, no one take the money.
Another 1-2 grand miles. So, if the driver got ticket, you have change for 2 grand driver. Hey. Driver said, nah, take you too. No, me got money.
Well, I know. Morning, family, top of the morning. Outer road speaking now.
What tell me difference?
Good. On Jamaican money now. Jamaican money and Canada money me put together. And me never know that Canada did run Jamaica. Up to the time me never know that Canada run Jamaica. Cause the Jamaica money in the bottom I said just release now. My friend just pass and show me the new money them come out now. Right? And see Canada money them here. So at the end of the day now, a Canada make money and a Canada control Jamaica because I'm further known that they control one of the airport too. And then send ganja come already. And now them legalize and ganja over there. And Canada say we can also come there with a passport. Everybody except Jamaica. When you tell me what the fuck is this? What is this? Why can Canada make we money and control the country, but we cannot go there? Somebody.
If the heroes on the new Jamaican money decided to argue.
Yo, Thomas Jennings, go over a little there. Me say after all these years, the man them take what the man pitch. The man them take what the man pitch and want give to somebody else named Thomas Jennings. Boy, son, I make a rude to you. I Paul my name. Baptist Deacon Paul. You hear me? If I laugh, I can over in yesterday. Man, top your nice, man. All you feel for know, say after all of the money you did have is a $50 them really come put your pan. Virginia, really go there, sir? Yeah. Nance, I wish camera you looking at. I yes, you feel look, Nance. See there? After me no business. Me just hope them still call the money nanny. Because Sharpie no sound good. That sound like marker. Oi, Nami. Make them never just put your side of your son. Instead of your ketchup side of me. Cologne smell good though, my brethren. Oh, yeah, my cousin. Me not argue with nobody where come from Hanover. Plus Bustamante and not even your right last name. At least my last name are the right last name. And that you worry about? Donald, you're a little bit too close to me, my youth. May I smell your aftershave. Anyway, 50 days in the office and you're already depend money, my youth. Share, you must learn to share. Who dead first get longer rest? And at airport. Is why them put us together. Because we share a special number. 5. Oh, you were the 5th Prime Minister. Yeah, you married 5 times. Up ye mighty race. Up till today. We never yet share a money space. Marcus, Mosiah, Gally, Papa.
Yeah, gone away, yeah. Gone away, yeah. Gone away, yeah. Gone away. Put up your lighter for your friend, them we pass away. Gone away.
Millions they inna the billy. No one bag of teeth when you see me. Fresh cash. Fresh cash. Fresh cash.
Okay guys, welcome to Jamaica where everything every other country do, we follow. Now this is a new $5,000 note. Alright, and this was the old one.
Let me see who was here before. Oh yeah, this one is Brian Winter, the one I have here.
No, why raffle fella? No, look on it. A plastic, you know? Plastic. Polymer them says, see that? Plastic.
Keep your hands right there. I pop 2 more sheets in my mind somewhere. Won't let my mind go there.